Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Tineco vacuum mop is not charging, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're ready to clean and the battery just won't respond. You might place it on the dock and see no light, or it charges very slowly and doesn't hold power. Many users assume the battery is dead, but in most cases, the issue is something simple like dirty charging contacts, improper docking, or a power connection problem. Since these devices rely on precise contact points, even a small misalignment can stop charging completely. The best thing is that with a few quick checks, you can fix the issue and get your vacuum mop charging again. Try these. Step 1. Check the charging dock and power adapter are properly connected. Step 2. Reposition the vacuum on the dock to ensure proper alignment. Step 3. Clean the charging contacts on both dock and device. Step 4. Inspect for any damage to cable or charging pins. Step 5. Leave it on charge for 20 to 30 minutes to rule out deep discharge. Step 6. Restart the device and check if the charging indicator appears.